Andy Johnson. We are looking at the activities in just the basic package of our meaning-based intervention. Here's what it looks like. It is a suggested template and it's put together for you. However, there are a variety of meaning-based activities. We believe in the expertise and experience of teachers. You know your students better than we do, so you can insert or substitute any of these or create your own lesson templates. It could be a 4-day lesson template, a 9-day sequence. You decide. We're giving you all the tools, but here are just the activities in the basic 5-day template. Starts with the language experience activity. Students dictate to you, the teacher. You write the sentences on a Word document. I suggest 24-point font. Read through until fluency is achieved and then use for analytic phonics. Can be reread on subsequent days to practice reading or saved. Now I like on lesson number 5, instead of creating a new language experience activity, to go back and practice reading lessons 1 through 4, the language experience activities. And again, use analytic phonics to teach or reinforce letter sounds. We do word building. This develops the semantic cueing system, but also it's based around the short E vowel sound, so it reinforces that. Go to bed. Good. The car was. Now when I do this with students, I provide just as much scaffolding as they need. If they can read it easily, I shut up. If not, I might use silent scaffolded oral reading. The was just enough so that they do not become frustrated, so that they do not stumble. We don't want them to be decoding words or sounding words out. Fluency. These are really silly stories. It has a lot of repetition, a lot of sight words, a lot of dialogue. The red word is either a 30-word target or a 40-word target. You decide. The students read it through 3 times every day, and you record their 3 scores on a graph. All right, so they should be able to see their times getting better each day. This is 1 day. This is a next day, etc. It develops self-efficacy, which is so important in learning. And again, really silly stories 3 times. Comprehension unit, it is included and the directions are there using Raz Plus books. The maze, same things, built around, reinforces the short E letter sound. Let's make a, and they have to choose the short E word that makes sense. And you may go, Ted, put them blank the bed. Say blank for them to help them if that helps. Notice the eyeballs as they're doing this. With poor readers, eyeballs go like this. Once they start developing the semantic cueing system, you'll see them go like this with their eyeballs. That tells us they are using context. That's a mature reading behavior. And sight word maze, we have 5 sight words with each module, short letter or vowel sound module. You see them there, they're reinforced. And then the sight words are put in a simple maze. Blank is a mess. All right, and then they have to identify. And then close, same thing. The car sped down the, and you notice there's a short E word in each one of them. And then sentence mix-up. Sentences appear on the page, they're out of order. Tell me when you know what the sentence is. The jet. And usually after 2 or 3, they can figure out the whole sentence. So you want to see if they can figure out the sentence before we get to the end. All right, just the basic 5-day lesson template.